Your money plant is turning yellow. And I know the first thing you want to do, water it, feed it, move it to more light. Stop. Because for most people, that's exactly how a yellow money plant becomes a dead one. Yellow leaves on a money plant are one of the most Googled plant problems in the world, and most of the advice out there is vague, contradictory, or flat out wrong. Because yellow leaves aren't a single problem. They're a symptom. And there are 6 different causes, each one needing a completely different response. In the next 10 minutes I'm going to walk you through every single cause of yellow money plant leaves, in order of how likely each one is, so you can pinpoint exactly what's happening with your specific plant. Real quick, if you're a money plant owner, or you keep houseplants and want to actually understand what they're trying to tell you, hit subscribe. This whole channel is about diagnosing plant problems from the roots up, not just surface level tips. If this video helps your plant, hit like and share it with someone who needs it. And drop a comment telling me what your plant looks like right now. I read and reply to every single one. Alright, let's get into the causes. Cause 1, and the most common cause by a wide margin, is overwatering. But let me be precise about what overwatering actually means, because it's not just about quantity. It's about frequency. If you water your money plant before the soil has had a chance to dry out in the top half, even if you only water a small amount, you're overwatering. Money plants want to dry out significantly between drinks. Not bone dry, but at least the top 2 inches should feel dry before you add more water. The signs of overwatering: leaves turning soft and yellow, usually starting on the older, lower leaves first. Soil that stays wet for more than a week. Sometimes a slight smell from the pot. The fix: let it dry out completely before watering again, and do the chopstick test every time from now on. Push a wooden chopstick to the bottom of the pot. Leave it for a minute. If it comes out with dark soil clinging to it, wait. If it comes out clean and dry, water thoroughly. This one test alone will prevent most overwatering going forward. If overwatering has been happening for a while without being caught, it leads to root rot, and this is where a money plant starts to genuinely struggle to survive. The signs are more intense than simple overwatering: leaves that are not just yellow but also soft and wilting even when the soil is moist. The stem base may feel soft or slightly slimy, and when you take the plant out of the pot, you'll see roots that are brown or black, mushy, and may fall apart when touched instead of being firm and pale. Here is the step-by-step rescue. Remove the plant from its pot and shake off all old soil. Cut every brown, black, or mushy root back to healthy white tissue using clean scissors, sterilized with diluted hydrogen peroxide if possible. Let the cleaned root ball air dry for 30 minutes on a paper towel. Then repot into fresh, slightly damp, well-draining potting mix in a pot with drainage holes. Don't water for 48 hours. Move to bright indirect light. You'll likely see the plant look sorry for a week or 2, but new leaf growth is the signal that the roots are recovering. Root rot caught early is very survivable. Cause 3, and this one surprises people, is too little light. We think of money plants as shade-tolerant, low-light plants. And while they can survive in low light, survive is not the same as thrive. When a money plant is too far from a light source, new leaves come in smaller and paler than normal. Over time, older leaves begin to turn a washed-out, faded yellow, not bright yellow, more like a dull, light green yellow, as the plant can't photosynthesize efficiently enough to maintain all its leaves. The fix: move the plant closer to a bright window, but indirect light only. Money plants do best in bright, indirect light. Direct harsh sun will scorch the leaves. 2 to 4 feet from a well-lit window is usually the sweet spot. Cause 4 is nutrient deficiency, less common than the first 3, but real. When a money plant lacks key nutrients, especially nitrogen, the whole plant gradually loses its rich, deep green color and takes on a uniform, pale, washed-out look. The yellowing isn't patchy or dramatic, it's a slow fade across all leaves. Growth slows down. New leaves come in smaller and lighter than older ones. This tends to happen in plants that haven't been repotted in over 2 years, or in plants growing in old, depleted potting mix. The fix: a balanced liquid fertilizer at half the recommended strength, applied once a month during spring and summer only. Never fertilize in autumn or winter. The plant isn't actively growing and the nutrients sit in the soil causing salt buildup that actually damages roots. And here's the cause most people miss entirely: being root-bound. When a money plant has been in the same pot for too long, the roots eventually run out of space and start circling the inside of the pot. At that point, the plant can no longer take up water and nutrients efficiently, even if the soil is perfectly moist and well-fed. The result, older leaves start yellowing as the plant prioritizes resources for younger growth. You may also notice the plant drying out much faster than usual after watering. The fix is straightforward: repot into a pot one size up, roughly 2 to 3 centimeters wider than the current one. Don't go too large. An oversized pot holds excess moisture and can trigger the overwatering problems we covered earlier. Loosen the roots gently before placing in fresh mix to encourage outward growth. And finally, cause 6. The one I want to save some anxious plant owners out there. Natural leaf aging. All plants cycle out their oldest leaves. For money plants, this usually looks like one single leaf, always one of the lowest, oldest ones, slowly turning yellow while the rest of the plant looks completely fine. There's no soft texture. No soggy soil. No smell. No new leaves affected. It's just an old leaf completing its natural life cycle. The response: trim the yellow leaf cleanly at the base with scissors and move on. One leaf every few weeks is completely normal. Where it becomes a concern is if multiple leaves are yellowing at the same time, or if new growth is also affected. In those cases, go back through causes 1 to 5. But a single yellowing older leaf on an otherwise healthy, growing plant? Your plant is fine. You're doing fine. If this video is helping you figure out what's going on with your money plant, please tap that like button right now. It genuinely helps this video reach other plant owners who need it. Share it with a friend who keeps plants too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, this channel goes this deep on every common houseplant problem. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's build you a care routine that keeps yellow leaves from coming back. Now let's make sure this doesn't happen again. Rule 1, and I will say this every time: never water on a schedule. Water only when the chopstick test confirms the soil is dry in the top half. For money plants indoors in average conditions, that usually means once every 7 to 10 days in summer, and every 2 to 3 weeks in winter. But test don't guess, because every home environment is different. Rule 2, always pot your money plant in well-draining mix in a pot with drainage holes. If you're using standard potting compost, add 20% perlite by volume to improve aeration. And position your plant in bright indirect light. 2 to 4 feet from a window is ideal. These two decisions alone, good drainage and right light, prevent at least half of all money plant problems before they start. Rule 3, feed lightly in the growing season only. Half-strength balanced fertilizer once a month from spring through summer. Nothing in autumn and winter. Repot every 2 years into a slightly larger pot with fresh mix. This refreshes the nutrients and gives the roots room to grow. And the last rule, which most plant owners don't follow enough: observe your plant regularly. A quick look every week when you check the soil takes 30 seconds and catches problems before they become emergencies. Let's wrap this up. 6 causes of yellow money plant leaves: overwatering, which is by far the most common; root rot, too little light; nutrient deficiency, being root-bound, which most people never check; and natural leaf aging. Your fastest diagnostic shortcuts: soft mushy yellow on older leaves, water problem. Pale faded yellow on newer leaves, light or nutrients. Single old leaf turning yellow alone, completely normal, trim it and move on. And your care mantra going forward: test the soil, don't trust the calendar. Now I want to hear from you. Which of the 6 causes matched your money plant? Drop it in the comments below. Even a quick overwatering confirmed is enough. I read and reply to every comment. And share this video with a plant owner who needs it. You might just save someone's money plant today. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more plant diagnostics like this. And the next video, right up there, is exactly what to watch if your money plant has stopped growing entirely. See you in it.